So solo ads is probably one of the most powerful traffic generation methods out there for affiliate marketers. Now, if you know what you're doing, you can actually build your list very quickly as well as make sales with actually running solo ad campaigns. And in this video today, I'm actually going to be talking about 5 different things that you need to look out for, some of the do's and don'ts, and some of the things that you really need to explore when you're looking at a solo ad vendor so that you can actually maximize your actual campaigns when you're running solo ad. Also, make sure you stick to the end of this video because I will be announcing the winner from the previous video of the free solo ad traffic. On the last video, I asked you guys to go ahead and comment below hashtag free solo ad. So in this video, I'm going to be announcing at the end who is the winner of that free solo ad. So make sure you stay tuned. So the very first thing that you want to figure out about your solo ad vendor before you actually pay them to run traffic is you want to make sure that they don't have list burnout. And what I mean by that is you really want to find out how many times are they sending to this particular list. So I can tell you from experience, I know solo ad vendors that are sending to their list dozens of times a day. We're talking 12 and 13, 14 times per day. And that really just causes list burnout. So if they're constantly getting beat over their heads with offer, those leads are then going to become non-responsive. They're not going to actually click on your links. And if they are going to click on your links, they're probably not going to be very engaged because they're just getting the next offer, like the next hour from that solo ad vendor. Now, with my solo ad list, I never send to the list more than 2 times per day because I don't want these leads to be burnt out. I want them to stay as responsive as possible. So I would never send to my list more than twice a day. The second thing you want to be aware of is where is this traffic actually coming from a geographic standpoint. So if you're promoting something and you are English speaking and you have information in English, you definitely want to promote to countries that speak English, right? So you want to be promoting to these top tier countries like USA, Canada, New Zealand, UK, and Australia, because all of these countries speak English. And that doesn't say that other people in other countries don't speak English, but these are just known as the top tier countries within our affiliate marketing space, as well as they have proven statistics that these people in these countries actually do a lot more purchasing in terms of products and services. So when you are picking a solo ad vendor, you want to say, am I going to get top tier traffic? Is every visitor that comes to my website going to come from a top tier country? And if that solo ad vendor cannot provide that to you, I would likely stay away unless you're trying to target a specific country for a specific reason. But most people in the affiliate marketing space that are doing business opportunity and make money online, you definitely want to target these English speaking countries. So A, they understand, and B, they have access to capital so that they can actually purchase the products and services that you're trying to promote. So the third thing that you really want to pay attention to is the actual quality of the traffic. So we just spoke about like geographically, where is the traffic coming from? And you really want to get those top tier countries, but then like, where is the quality of the traffic? Like, what is the quality of the traffic? And so what a lot of solo ad vendors will do is they'll actually purchase a lot of solo ads and build their list that way. And then in turn, take your offer and send it to those same leads. So they're buying from different solo ad vendors and then they're just sending your offers to those same leads. And in my opinion, that's kind of low quality traffic because a lot of these offers just kind of get redundant and they get used. It's the same leads on everybody's list. If you're buying from the same batch of solo ad guys and you're not getting like fresh quality leads from, different sources. So with my list in particular, we don't purchase any solo ads to actually promote your offers to. So we actually get traffic from native ads. We actually do PPC as well as some social media stuff as well to build our list so that we can send your offer to these fresh leads that aren't getting beat up on everyone's list, that are on 20 solo ad vendors list. So these are definitely fresh quality leads because we want your offer to be something that's going to be new and fresh for these people that are actually viewing it. The fourth thing that you really have to be aware of is bot traffic. So bot traffic is something that some vendors do that's very shady, it's very sleazy, but basically it's like a robot, and it's actually a click that is actually emulated like it's a real person, but it's not really a real person that's clicking on your link. And you won't really know this unless you have been running solo ads and been in the game for a little while. You really want to understand and know how responsive are those actual leads. And the only way to do that is to mail the leads over the course of a few days, a few weeks, and see if you actually get some obviously sales or just interaction period. So if you're asking them questions or asking them to reply and you get responses back, then you know that those leads are good and that they are actual real humans, because there are definitely some sleazy solo ad vendors out there that are just emulating human beings and they're just sending you robot traffic. So you definitely want to stay away from those vendors and never buy from them again. But you really want to be picking somebody that's going to be sending you guaranteed human real eyeballs that are going to look at your offer. Number 5 is you really want transparency when it comes to a solo ad vendor. So any solo ad vendor that can't provide you like tracking of the clicks or even the geographic location of where the click came from, you might want to be careful about using that solo ad vendor. And of course, with my solo ads, you actually get a detailed report that shows where the traffic came from, all your clicks, geographically what countries actually clicked on your link. You get all of this stuff in a nice buttoned up report, so everything is above board and everything is transparent. And I'm going to throw in a bonus, which is number 6, and that is list segmentation. So list segmentation is something that a lot of solo ad vendors do not do. They basically just have this massive list and they send your offer to the list no matter what your offer is. So a good solo ad vendor is actually going to actually look at your link and see what the offer is. And if you're segmenting your list properly, you should be able to segment your list. Good solo ad vendor segments their list so that you can have people that may be interested in MLM, people that may be interested in personal development, people that may be interested in like YouTube, people that may be interested in like SEO, and segment their actual list so that when you get an order, you can actually take a look at that offer and be like, okay, this is an MLM offer. Let me send this to the MLM list, opposed to just sending it to everybody and not really getting the most super targeted, freshest traffic to that particular MLM offer. So essentially what a good solo ad vendor does is they actually take a great look at your link. They will actually send your link to the best list that they have that's going to give you the most opt-ins and the most maximum potential of getting sales. And then of course you're going to get top tier real traffic, 95%, 100% real human beings from top tier countries, no robots. And then that in turn is going to give you the best opportunity to actually build your list and get sales. And as you all know, the money is definitely in the list. And if you're building your list, you're establishing a great relationship with your solo ad vendor, you can actually build your list very quickly and start making consistent income with your affiliate marketing business. Now, if you guys are interested in checking out my solo ads, I'm actually going to leave a link in the description for you guys so you can actually check out my solo ads and actually get a 50% discount on your first solo ad run. I'll have that link in the description, so check it out. And if nothing else, make sure you take heed to the things that you learned in this particular video when you're actually going out and buying solo ads and selecting somebody to run traffic to your website. So last but not least, we're going to go ahead and announce the winner that's going to get the 100 clicks to their website. And that winner is going to be, drum roll, I've selected Share of Money, make money online. Go ahead and contact me. I have an email across the screen here. You can go ahead and contact me. You won 100 clicks to your website. So go ahead and contact me at the email on the screen and I'll get your campaign set up. And you're going to be getting some great quality traffic to your site, 100 clicks of real human traffic, top tier countries. We're going to send you and hook you up with 100 clicks. So in my next video, guys, I'm going to give out another free solo ad, another 100 clicks to somebody's website. I'm going to be doing this a lot, so make sure you guys subscribe and like the videos and stay tuned, locked in, because you could win a solo ad on my next video. So all you need to do, guys, to get this new solo ad is go ahead and opt in for my free ebook where I talk about how to get free buyer traffic to your website. So you can go in and opt in, get that free ebook, and then comment below on this video here, hey John, I grabbed the ebook and I want the next free solo ad, and then tell me what type of offer that you're going to send the 100 clicks to if you win. So it's two things, guys. If you want to win the next solo ad, go ahead and opt in below, get my free ebook, and then tell me, hey, I got the ebook and I want to get 100 free clicks to X offer. So whatever your offer is, just tell me what your offer is about, what you're trying to promote, and I'm going to select somebody on the very next video and they're going to get 100 clicks. So for this video, share of money, make money online, you're the lucky winner. So make sure you contact me and give me your link and I will get you your clicks right away. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something today about solo ads because it's super powerful. You can build your list quick and make a lot of money with it if you know what you're doing. So make sure you take heed of all the things that I talked about today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.